Welcome back to JK McLeod.
Just playing around the shop, trying to get my old gas Bushwhacker hedge trimmer together. An old Craftsman model. There's probably like, I don't know, maybe 6-7 different models, all made by the same manufacturer. Some are green, red, yellow. It was a pretty popular design. I tried to get it going, and lo and behold, I had no spark. So I pulled it apart. I mean, it's not too bad. You know, to get it off the frame, there's 4 screws on the bottom. The whole top of it comes off. Starter mechanism. See if I can align this properly. Oh, in any case, it kind of goes like that. I'm gonna put the spark plug wire on the inside, but essentially it goes together, and then the clutch goes on the outside, and then screw it down into the body. And it's like, took off all the grounding wires, and lo and behold, I get spark back. So, alright, good. Maybe it's in the grounding wire and the switch. And more than likely, let me get this nice and close. These are the pinch points that go between. And they're all, you know, cut through the insulation. So I'm assuming that somewhere along here, the 2 wires are touching, and that's pretty much no spark. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to separate this heat shrink tubing, pull the wires apart, check them for continuity, repair any damage that is, new shrink wrap on the outside, and then bolt it all back together. Let me get that done, and we'll come back for the reassembly process. There we go, a little well-placed heat shrink tubing, a little continuity, and grounded. Nah. There we go. Now it's ready to put back in. Okay, this is the way the handle's going to go back on. Is the operator presence lever. That little spring's got to be in there so that it springs back. And it's a 3-handed operation. Hold everything in place. There. And I believe that does it. Hopefully I've got these screws in the right order. Okay. 2. 3. And 4. Maybe not. Doesn't feel like it. Yep. Okay, it's together. In here, didn't pinch anything. The grounding wire and the hoses came out the same one, and yeah, that's good. There we go. That should work. Now, put this whole thing back together again. I'll start with the 2 halves of that, get the clutch back on, then we can button this back up and hopefully get the starter housing back on. Gotta thread the spark plug wire through there. So we're gonna get the it engages. 4 screws. 2, 3, and 4 on the starter handle. Screw those down. It's the same process if you wind up breaking the pull rope washer. Yeah. Gotta clean up the threads a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna clean up the threads and I'll be right back with you. It was hard getting this clutch off. Damaged the beginning threads a little bit. Oh no, here we go, we got it. It's seated yet? No, it's seated. Now I'd use this tool. This is for pulling, whatchamacallit, usually for the chainsaws. Let me see if I can give it a little bit extra. See if I got that. No, a little bigger than that. Nope. Okay, get it around here somewhere. There we go. Just a little bit extra. There we go. Just to make sure that it's seated. Yep, we got it. Yep, I have this little piece here. See if I can get it around and down. And just kind of stick that in there. Protect the spark plug from getting all chewed up. There we go. And all I have to do is orient this in the right direction. Alright, this is this way, it's that way, there we go. And that's got to go on this side. Oh, you know what I forgot? Hook the grounding wire back up. The purpose of the whole project. Alrighty, well, I'm getting a little ahead of myself. Well, easy fix. Okay, grounding wire on. Right, should have been done the first time, well, at least by me anyway. And we put the two headers together. Alright, line pull. There we go. 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4. Spin the clutch on it, and we're ready to go. Okay, 2 halves back together like before. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4. So pretty much all you do is sit this down on top. Align the holes, and from the bottom, put the 4 screws in. We got to attach the throttle and the 2 hoses, and hopefully, I haven't screwed up again, we'll have this right. All back together, fuel line's on, throttle's on. Hopefully the switch is good. Yeah, moment of truth. Oh, looks promising. The switch works. Well, there you go. Well, they're revving through the woods and pulling half the stuff apart, but we got it. Back together, I'll let it warm up. Get some more of the gunk off it. Do a little tune. Be ready to get to those hedges.